Is your older truck or SUV making a ticking noise when you start it? The experts at Cetus Automotive Repair Shop in Acadia say that's a sign your exhaust system needs repairing. With modern equipment and an on-site machine shop, Cetus Auto provides fast, budget-friendly repair services. It takes special know-how and proper equipment to get the job done right. With 35 years of experience, numerous awards, and 465-star ratings, Cetus Auto are your go-to experts. Click on the link in the description to find out more.